Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered this month with BTCC, absolutely incredible exchange who are currently offering a 10% deposit bonus on any size deposit, which is absolutely insane. That means you could deposit 10k on the platform and get a 1k bonus for doing absolutely nothing, not to mention all their other great features and bonuses including copy trading, etc. So make sure to go down in the description and get signed up with them, along with all of our other great partnerships which are all offering great rewards for signing up and trading, including MEXC, XRocket and many more. Alright then, just taking a quick look at Vechain on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, we are finally getting that move to the upside that I've been looking for over the past few weeks. We have been stuck under this resistance as we've been heading down in this channel, as you can see, for Vechain for such a long time now, and also stuck under that 023 Fibonacci. We've been making lower lows and lower highs all the way down here. Recently we've been actually channeling into this descending wedge type pattern, which is typically a reversal pattern. We actually came down nicely, swept the liquidity of the previous major swing low here and held this as support pretty nicely here. Broke through this resistance, came up to the next resistance, and now we're breaking through that and the 023 Fibonacci as well. You can see making higher highs and higher lows here and looking a lot more positive than we have been in a long time, to be honest, in terms of the sentiment across the market. Obviously this is because Bitcoin has been pumping. You can see quite clearly here Bitcoin has basically been heading down this big descending wedge. We've got the breakout, the consolidation, the pump, the consolidation, and now the pump towards the all-time high here. Getting very, very overbought currently, but looking pretty damn strong. You can see this trade that I took for Ethereum is actually insane. I said a few days ago in a short that I was going to get long on Ethereum because I felt like this was about to absolutely pump to the upside, filling all of this here and taking out all this liquidity for people trying to short the market. And you can see this has worked out ridiculously well, but you can see across the market Bitcoin basically pumping pretty much everything. Basically anything that I click here, you'll see two big green candles as Bitcoin leads the market back to the upside, and Vechain here no exception. You can see breaking through multiple layers of resistance and really looking like we could be getting some kind of inverse head and shoulders type pattern really. I think if we can keep the momentum for Bitcoin and not have a crazy swing to the downside that absolutely wrecks everybody, we'll probably see Vechain continuing doing something like this back up towards this local swing high over the next few months. I think Bitcoin being near its all-time highs, it might go and make a new all-time high and then start to go sideways, which is probably what I would expect to happen considering how long I've been watching these markets now. If that's the case, then Vechain is probably just going to continue to trickle to the upside as altcoins do finally get their little day in the sun. Obviously they haven't had it yet. Very interesting chart, by the way, for the altcoin basket. You can see here we've obviously lost that key support trend line that we were having as our support all the way up through this bull market so far, but yet to reach the previous all-time high. But you can see here we're obviously in a little bit of a local downtrend. We broke down from this support. We've actually come back up and are currently testing that support as resistance here. So is this the exit pump for this cycle, or is this going to be breaking and retesting and recovering and continuing? That is the question that we're going to have on our lips for altcoins, because they haven't got started in this cycle really, have they, in comparison to Bitcoin, if you're being completely honest. Right now we are at the 127 Fibonacci extension here as resistance for Bitcoin, and it'll be interesting to see where it leads the market next. Thanks a lot for joining me again today for another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up for a massive BTCC bonus so you can receive and get involved with all our other great partnerships as well. Thanks a lot for watching.